Come test drive the 2013 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, quad seating, traction control, anti-lock braking system, XM satellite radio, navigation system, heated seats, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.